What is up guys, done at the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a luxurious pedestal photo on ChatGPT. So first you need to head over to ChatGPT, and after that on the left side you need to click on this plus icon, and then you need to click on this add photos and files, and after that you need to give the image of your that you want to make it luxurious. You want to give the image. As you can see in this video, I'm going to take the example of a shoe. So I have chosen the shoe image. And after that, here in the prompt, I will write it to make it luxurious. As you can see, I have inserted the image and then I have given the command like this is a shoe at my company and this is my product. And I want to make it look like luxurious and make it look and feel luxury and also make the image a luxury lookalike one. So I'll just insert this command and then this will start generating my shoe in a luxury way. And before generating, it will tell you that what visual or design changes it will make. You can just simply read it and then you can approve ChatGPT to make it. As you can see, I approved the response of ChatGPT and then I just gave it a command to generate. So now it is generating my image. As you can see, it has made my shoe look like a luxury one and it has added some shadows and all to make it look a luxury. So before it was like this, and this is the after look. As you can see, this is how you can create a luxury uh, product image in ChatGPT, and then you can also download it from here and you can share it from here too. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.